Well, it's D-Day for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Delhi High Court will today pronounce order on his plea challenging arrest by Enforcement Directorate in Liquorgate case and subsequent ED custody. Following 2 days of hearings on March 27th and April 3rd, the Delhi High Court reserved its verdict in the plea. Kejriwal is in judicial custody till 15th of April. Remember, he was arrested by the ED on 21st of March. He was remanded to 6 days of ED custody, which was later extended by 4 more days. And on the 1st of April, he was remanded to 15 days of judicial custody. The verdict on his plea will be pronounced by Justice Swarnakanta Sharma at 2:30 p.m. today. So today is a very, very important day. Arvind Kejriwal's plea against the arrest, against the ED custody. Hearing on that took place on 27th of March and April 3rd. And today we're given to understand that the verdict will be pronounced. The Delhi High Court had reserved its verdict in the plea. Kejriwal is right now in the judicial custody. He is in Tihar jail. He will remain in judicial custody till the 15th of April. That's the duration. He was, remember, arrested by the Enforcement Directorate on the 21st of March. This in the Liquorgate case. Remember, there are other leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party who were also arrested in the Liquorgate case. One of them, in fact, Sanjay Singh, has just recently come out on bail. Sabyasachi is getting us more details. Sabyasachi, D-Day, the arrest, the custody of the Enforcement Directorate was all challenged, called illegal by Arvind Kejriwal. And a verdict on that will be pronounced today.
Well, absolutely. See, it's a D-Day for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The Justice will pass the order at around 2:30 p.m. today. And besides his arrest, Arvind Kejriwal has also challenged his subsequent remand in the Enforcement Directorate custody. And the Aam Aadmi Party leader has questioned the timing of his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. And he has been saying that it was in contravention of the basic structure of the Constitution, including the democracy, free and fair polls and level playing field ground. And the Enforcement Directorate has opposed the plea against Arvind Kejriwal, and they have said that Arvind Kejriwal cannot claim immunity from the arrest on the ground of the upcoming polls, as law is applied equally to him and an Aam Aadmi of the country.
All right, Sabyasachi, stay on with us. We have more breaking inputs coming in fact. As far as the arguments in the court are concerned, Kejriwal's counsel had claimed that all of this was politically motivated, whereas ED's counter was that Kejriwal is the kingpin and a key conspirator in the entire Liquorgate scam. Arvind Kejriwal's counsel claimed that this was unwarranted, particularly before polls, that the Delhi Chief Minister was arrested and the motive behind it was to disable him from playing an active role in politics and giving him a level playing field. The ED, in response, is calling Arvind Kejriwal the kingpin and the key conspirator. ED argued that Kejriwal cannot claim immunity from arrest citing elections. ED also said that if the Aam Aadmi goes behind bars, if he commits a crime, Kejriwal cannot claim immunity on grounds of elections.